visibility, authority, and conversion power. They are your power engine to really grow the private practice that you have in mind. So let's take a closer look at each of those 3 pillars in action and how you can apply them for your own private practice. So doing a little Google search to look at visibility, and let's look at something local here. If we look at the visibility for endometriosis and we check out the various doctors that have an organic top listing at the top of Google, that is where it all starts. If you have that visibility for your main income drivers in your practice, that is gold, because that means that patients, a lot of the traffic, the majority, 75% of the traffic will go to those top results in Google. And as patients land on your website, on your web page that is specifically covering what they were looking for, you are 3 steps closer to being the specialist they will choose, because, well, they won't be unhappy if they get to that stage where what they Googled for is actually already on the first page they click on. So just remember what we've done. We've Googled it. We've clicked one of the top results on Google, and there we are. We are on your content or your landing page. So that is visibility in action. Now, the next thing is, of course, authority. And if we just stick to that page, because what naturally happens with a patient doing that Google search is they'll go and check out the home page, and then of course they might check out other pages on that website just to spend some time with you. And the second most popular page on a medical website, as our data shows, is the About page. So they'll just inspect who's the team and who are they, and this is where trust and rapport is being built. And of course, if your About page really gives your patient reasons to choose this practice and to stay with them, that is where the magic happens and where the conversion is already happening in their mind, because you're now building trust and rapport. So authority comes from obviously having your qualifications there, but building that trust and rapport. Now, the conversion power is something else. So I'll take you to another example where we've got all these other elements in place, the visibility for the key conditions and treatments, and we've got the authority in place if you look at the About page. But what is a great add-on here is the Start Here button. Because as you know, with obesity surgery, there's a process of considering it and maybe making a lot of inquiries, seeing the GP, hearing about it, and there might be some shopping and some hesitation at play. So the Start Here button actually invites the patient to take the next step, fill out the form, leave their details, and explore if they are a candidate for obesity surgery. And what that does is it just creates the next level. You are now officially in a conversation with this specialist doctor. And obviously that's where you can practice your conversion power by giving this person an amazing friendly phone call and asking them to have a conversation. So visibility, authority, and conversion power, let them work together, and you are now officially building the private practice of your dreams. If you want to apply that powerful, fail-proof model to your own practice, book a free one-on-one consultation, and we'll talk about your practice growth very soon.